you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Carlene, and this is where you'll see everyday lifestyle vlogs between DIYs, home decor, fashion, get ready with me, just everything real life, real life issues. So I am actually on my way to the dentist to get my teeth cleaned. I am big on hygiene. I've always been on hygiene because I remember when people were talking about they didn't want to wear masks because if they had to smell their own breath. Go figure. If you don't take care of your teeth, what you think it smell like? I didn't really have a problem with my breath smelling up under my mask because I've always taken care of my teeth. I've always gone to the dentist. I've been out of braces. How long have I been out of my braces? I've been out of my braces for some time now. I think I got my braces in 2017, 2018, and then I got them taken off in 19. So I was still going to the orthodontist in 19 and 20. So by the time 21, I just started taking care of my teeth on my own. I have an actual retainer that I wear nightly. So I have a water pick. I have an electric toothbrush. I floss. So dental care has never been a big issue with me. So it's not like a new thing that, oh gosh, let me get my teeth clean. My dad was really big on dental care. He was like a huge on dental care. We went to the dentist as kids. I can't never say that we never went to the dentist as kids. That would be a lie. So yeah, on my way to the dentist. So yeah. And then after we do the dentist, I'll go back to work and I'll work a couple of hours. I'll work an hour and a half more. And after that, you guys, we'll do a home goods organizing, my kitchen type of situation. You guys, I'm gonna do a montage of with some music behind it. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys for stopping by the channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel. I have a 1,000 subscriber goal to try to meet. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And yes, let's get into the video. I'm back from out of the dentist. I need to go after I get off, I need to go run to the store to go get a toothpaste for my coffee, for drinking coffee and stuff like that, and teas. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick that up today. I probably won't record that. I don't know. If I don't get it today, well, no, most likely I am going to get it today because I drank a coffee this morning. I made a coffee this morning, so most likely I probably will get it today. So yeah, these are my teeth. Yep. So I'm on my way back home to finish out my work day. So I was gone an hour, so I probably just have an hour, just still an hour and 30 minutes to make up. So yeah, I'll see you guys after I'm done with work. So in this part of the vlog is my actual haul of things that I got from HomeGoods and lollycup.com. Yesterday I went to Harps and I got a few more things for my coffee bar. So yeah, let's go ahead and just jump in this because it has to go be up. Okay. The first thing, let's do my HomeGoods haul. I purchased, this is outside of my organizational haul. I ended up picking up this one is split pea soup, which I'm so excited and I'm so ready to make this split pea soup. And I got this directly from off of my shopping excursion at HomeGoods. So also, I think this is the spice. This is all the spices that was packed up. I have this curry seasoning because I like to have curry chicken. I like to do injera, and I like to use a lot of curry powders and things to make my sauces and make my dishes for my injera. So actually it's a combination of everything. So I'm just going to open it up as I grab it out. Here is the containers that I chose to get from Home Goods. This one was $1.99, and I'm figuring that I can put my my granola in here, my cocoa powder, things that is related to my coffee bar. That's what I got these for. Or I like to have gummy worms and stuff like that. So that's what I got that for. Now I know for sure this one is for my marshmallows, for the actual hot cocoa portion of my coffee bar. So this is what this one looks like. And this one was $5.99 if I'm not mistaken. This one was pretty pricey. No, I'm sorry, it was $2.99. It wasn't $1.99, it was $2.99, which I thought was a good deal. And I want to go back to see if they have some more of these. I have, and I am so excited about, which I think I won a giveaway on his on John Cornell's. It's John Cornell Preppy Kitchen. I watch him. I've been watching this guy for like, y'all, I've been watching him for almost a decade. I've been watching this guy for almost a decade. I started following him from his vlogs, or his blogs, like Blog Spot, where he actually posts all of his recipes. I actually started following him on his blog, not vlog, blog, B-L-O-G. So then he came out with this book. I pre-ordered it. I pre-ordered this book a month ago, I think. I go to Harp's grocery store, and I found these classic hazelnut and classic caramel and French vanilla. I found these in their grocery store. They were like $4.99, $5.99, which I thought was way too expensive, but I bought them anyway because okay. So I ordered these literally yesterday at work. Literally yesterday at work. And I had to put this on the floor. Every time I order these, they come different. I don't know what that's about. But every time I order these, they come different. Ooh. So I ordered the creme de cacao. Y'all, these were literally the price of this. These were literally, this cost the same price as this. This is salted caramel, this hazelnut, classic hazelnut, and this is French vanilla. So then this is salted caramel. I'm glad I got a salted caramel because I think I really like the salted caramel. Sorry. I ordered a hazelnut because this next one is vanilla bean. And that other one over there, the smaller one, is French vanilla. And then last is the English toffee. Got to show you guys a couple of glasses that I actually bought from Harp's as well, and they were $1 a piece. These glasses were literally $1. You guys will not believe that these glasses are such a good quality, and they were $1. They're really, really thick. Nothing thin about. Let me show it to you one at a time. Look at the quality of this cup. Besides my fingers, I have to clean it, but anyway, I actually used this cup this morning. The other one is on the counter behind the camera, and y'all look at this. Look at this cup, and it was just $1. You know, from Harp's. From Harp's. I love Harp's, y'all. I don't even know why I don't even shop at Harp's as much as I don't. I don't even know why, because they have my apple butter there. They have really fresh produce. I mean, it's just, it is like the traditional family country store that kind of, it reminds you of just good, wholesome people. And I'm not talking about white people, black people. Like, it's like a family-centered store. And I love Harp's. And every time I go to Harp's, they are so nice. And they are so pleasant because, you know, the employees actually are the ones that actually own the store. The people that actually work at the store are the ones that actually own the store. Like, they put into their employees. even on the front of, if you see in my, like I keep referring back, you see back in my last video, you see we walking in the store and it says on the building, employee owned. Look at this. Y'all, look at this glass. This glass, y'all, it's not a thin glass. It's not a cheaply made glass. It is $1. Hold on, you guys.
Oh, I need something like that.
Okay, you guys. Like I was saying, I found the glass that I was gonna have 10 shit to the cow. This glass right here. This glass cost me $5 at West M. So this glass being $1, this glass right here being $1 from Harps, oh my gosh, no. This is a good thing. But anyway,